Kurub Mayam. Yes! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Jerodix TV. By the way, I'm your local reactor from Philippines. I'm Jayson. Yes! How are you guys? What are you doing right now? I hope guys, all of you are in a good situation. Okay? So, today, I have here a list of, wow, it's too much requests here in my notes. So don't you worry guys, all your requests I'm going to write it down in my notes so that I can't forget your requests. So today we're going to react the request of Babson and Nursery, and this is LEINANA YOMLIBI, the title of music. So okay, we're going to search this music. Alright, here we go. Our next reaction of video is LEINANA YOMLIBI, a Enamma movie official music video released 2019. So this is 2 years ago. And well, our cast here, wow, there's too much cast here guys. Gokul, Bonnie, Shelhiba, Devita, Bala, and Beju. Wow, Beju. This is my favorite, Beju, Bala, Suma. Oh my goodness, that was so popular actress in the Manipuri. So, alright. So the singer here, there's a lot of singers here also guys. Pusparani, Danobi, SK Mangang, Arvin Kabira, and Roshan Taudam. Oh my god, there's a lot. Wow, I'm so excited to watch this guys. So yes, before we start our next reaction video, make sure that, yes, especially those new to my channel who watching right now, please guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell button for you to be updated always on my next reaction video like this here in my channel. So, without further ado guys, let's get now and watch this video. Wow. Woo! Enamma. What's the meaning of Enamma? Oh, Shelhiba. And who's this guy? Beju? Yeah. Oh, they're in the top of the mountain. Let's volume the sounds. Okay. Oh! Wow. Oh! Is this a lake? Wow. I think this is Bala. Yeah. Woohoo! Oh, here you go, Gokul. I know Gokul. Idol, Gokul. Ah. Yeah. Bala Heja. I like it, the music, I like it, the voice of the all singers here. Wow, look at that. Oh, this is Bonnie. This is the lady here. I think she's Diabita. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, Diabita. Wow. Oh, they're fighting. Oh, this is part of dance. Yeah. Wow. Ooh, I like the view, guys. This a house in the lake. Oh, who's this? Woo! Wow, there's a lot of beautiful ladies in Manipur. Oh, Goku lagi. This is Bala. Oh, Veggie. Is this a Veggie? Yeah, I think she's. Wow, that's a voice of Pushparani. I could recognize all the voice of the singer here because there's a lot of singer here. Oh, Shalhiba. Oh, Baji again. Baji. I mean Bala. Bala and Goku. Woo! The rhymes of this music, yeah, it's a very good quality of music. Guys. Wow, perfect, guys. Gabi LEINANA YOMLIBI. Wow, that is the most beautiful for me. Oh, that's Enamma. What's the meaning of Enamma? Enamma. Wow. Whew, that was so perfect, guys. Perfect music, perfect voice, perfect cast, the characters here, the videography, the choreography. Wow, all of this perfect. I don't have anything to say because all the I think all of the popular artists, actress, actor, singer are here in these videos. So no doubt I like it so much. I love it so much. So thank you so much for this request, Bobson and Nursery. For your request, LEINANA YOMLIBI. So I hope you enjoy also, guys. If you like this music, guys, don't forget to give this a lot of a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this and like this music video from Manipuri Northeast India. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoy all of my reaction of video, guys. So see you on my next reaction of video again. I love you all. Ainan Nangbu and Nogshi. Alright. Taget Chari. God bless you. I love you all, and bye.